Did you ever feel like your campground's bookkeeping is more of a tangled mess than a well-managed system? Well, you're not alone. Today we're diving into the top bookkeeping blunders straight from real campground owners in the industry and sharing some practical strategies to avoid these pitfalls. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to sidestep these costly mistakes and keep your financials pristine. Let's kick things off with a story that might sound a little familiar. I thought I could handle it myself. Many campground owners start out believing that bookkeeping is just a few numbers here and there. However, managing the intricate financials of the campground is far from simple. Whether it's the seasonal income fluctuations or tracking various expense categories like maintenance and utilities, there's a lot to juggle there. The first step, invest in some good software. Let the technology handle heavy lifting so you can focus on what you do best, creating memorable experiences for your guests. Next up, we have the notorious "I'll do it later" trap. We've heard from numerous campground owners who put off bookkeeping tasks until it's just too late, only to drown in a sea of paperwork come tax season. It's crucial to establish a regular bookkeeping routine. Block out a specific time each week to record, review transactions. This proactive approach will prevent a big backlog and reduce your stress, ensuring that you're always ready for any financial questions or audits. Finally, the surprising, "Oh my gosh, I didn't know that." The world of taxes and regulations can be a minefield, especially with the rules that vary by state and region for campgrounds. We can't stress enough the importance of regularly consulting resources that are dedicated to campground financials, like me, or even attending relevant workshops. Additionally, subscribing to newsletters from reliable sources, like me, will keep you informed about changes in tax laws that affect your business, ensuring compliance and avoiding penalties. Remember, learning from peers' mistakes can be just as valuable as learning from your own. By implementing these steps, you're not just keeping your books clean, you're setting your campground up for financial success. Ultimately, staying proactive in your bookkeeping not only saves you time and money, but also opens up opportunities for growth and strategic improvements. Embrace the proactive CPA approach, ensuring your financial systems are robust and efficient. By doing so, you're not only safeguarding your business, but empowering it to thrive in today's competitive market. Keep exploring, keep learning, and more importantly, keep your campground thriving. You've got the tools to make a tangible difference today.